Let me show you a few different things that you can do if your solar outdoor light is not charging anymore properly. So for example, if it was working all okay, but after some time maybe either it only recharges very little, so you have light for very little time, or it simply doesn't recharge at all. So first what you want to check is quality of the panel, so the solar panel. With time, what happens, these panels simply get very hazy due to the sun exposure. So if it's very white, so again, if you can't see the individual solar cells here, again, it simply won't recharge the internal battery. So what you can do is you can simply clean the plastic solar panel. So there are some cutting compounds that you can essentially use to clean car headlights. So if you get such compound, you can simply clean it off and it will remove the haze from the solar panel and it will start working correctly again. So yeah, what you do is you simply check the condition of your solar panel. If it's white, if the sun can't penetrate it anymore, if it can't reach the solar cells, it simply won't recharge. So that's the most common issue why they stop charging. However, if that's not the problem, so you simply want to troubleshoot your light and see what could be wrong with it. So also another thing that usually happens with these lights is they simply fail due to exposure to water. So even though they are marketed as outdoor lights, they're actually not very well waterproofed. So for example, when I get these lights, I like to take a hot glue gun and essentially seal it completely shut here. Otherwise, water can easily seep inside and will completely destroy the light and make it stop working. Also, on some of these, this panel isn't even properly seated here inside. And again, if water drops onto it here, it will simply land inside and will corrode the internals of it. So, for example, yeah, also you can obviously open it up and check if your switch is okay. So simply turn it on or off and see if that does anything. Okay, and finally also you can literally just open up your light as well. Also the internal batteries in these are very poor quality as well and are very small. So I'll show you, for example, the internal battery on this. And yeah, overall these lights, yeah, are kind of junk in my opinion. If you do not waterproof them especially, they only last for several months before they die. So you see, if you look up inside, so you see it's totally exposed. There's literally zero waterproofing here. So what I like to do on these lights, I like to take them apart and fill it up with glue here, so it doesn't leaks from top. And also I like to simply fill it up, so all the seams. Once you pop them over, you can't really see it, so it's not eyesore as well. But yeah, also if you check the battery size, so you see just how absolutely tiny this thing is. So this, yeah, so this green thing here is the battery. I see how absolutely tiny this thing is, and obviously it's not very good quality battery as well. It's not huge, and with time, obviously it has got limited times, how many times it can be recharged before it fails essentially. So again, these lights overall very poor quality in my opinion, and they do not have like very long lifetime in my opinion. So it is what it is. Okay, good luck.